Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Carmen Swain from Switch on Health, and welcome to tonight's free webinar on SimpleClinic. So if you're watching this live, please do stick around for comments and questions at the end. We're excited to announce that there will be a draw for a $50 credit from us here at Switch on Health for one lucky attendee to put towards your study. And SimpleClinic have also very generously donated 3 amazing lucky attendance prizes, which I'll let Marianne tell you more about during her presentation. If you're watching this on YouTube, you're welcome to pop any questions you may have into the comments box below. We promise we will get back to you. Also, if you're watching on YouTube and you like what we do, please click on the subscribe button, because the more subscribers we have, the more we can offer, and we look forward to offering you more. Tonight, I am very happy to be joined by Marianne Fernance, who will be introducing SimpleClinic. So SimpleClinic provides practice management software for naturopaths, nutritionists, and herbalists. SimpleClinic provides all the tools you need to streamline, automate, and manage your clinic, which is such an important part of running a successful practice and also making your life easier. Away to you, Marianne.
Thanks, Carmen, and thanks for having me here this evening. Okay, so let me start by introducing who we are. SimpleClinic is an Australian all-in-one practice management platform built by naturopaths exclusively for naturopaths, nutritionists, and herbalists. SimpleClinic supports all aspects of running your practice with streamlined and automated workflows. We are committed to continual growth, innovation, and development with exceptional customer service, being the leader in practice management software for our Nat and Herbie community to bring you a professional and friendly service. SimpleClinic is proud to be 100% Australian-owned, operated, hosted, developed, and staffed. We launched almost 6 years ago, and we currently have just over 2,500 practitioners using our platform. SimpleClinic's mission is to help fellow prackies streamline, automate, integrate, and grow your business more efficiently, freeing up your time to do what you love. Our goal is to help you transition smoothly from student clinic into clinical practice, whether you go and start your own clinic or you join an existing clinic so that you can hit the ground running. So before we explore some of the time-saving features, let me introduce myself. I'm Marianne Fernance, a fellow naturopath, nutritionist, and herbalist. I've been in clinical practice for 15 years with a special interest in treating chronic and complex autoimmune conditions. I love giving back to our community and often have students completing their clinic hours with me in clinic. As most of you can guess by now, I am a huge Disney fan. I'd also like to introduce to you our lead developer, co-founder, superstar, and most importantly, my husband, Eric Fernance, who created this awesome platform and all the magic behind the scenes. And yes, that is him in the genie suit, all sweaty. We also have in total 7 local Australian team members, consisting of 2 developers and 5 dedicated practitioner support staff. So let's see what one of our practitioners has to say. So with SimpleClinic, you can save at least 5 to 10 hours per week on admin time. Here we have a testimony from a successful practitioner who says they actually saved 10 to 12 hours per week by integrating SimpleClinic into their workflows. Our online booking allows you to add a book now button or embed SimpleClinic's online booking directly to your own website. SimpleClinic allows you to take prepayments for bookings. Patients can easily reschedule appointments online as long as they are within your cancellation timeframe. And SimpleClinic online booking also supports multiple time zones, making it easier for your patients to book online by letting them see your availability in their time zone. SimpleClinic also allows you to create appointments which automatically send booking confirmation emails with an intake form. The booking reminders are also sent out automatically. You can launch online consultations directly from within your diary. And within the diary, you can also manage multiple schedules, multiple practitioner schedules from the one view. SimpleClinic also integrates with your favorite external calendars, such as iCloud, Gmail, G Suite, and Office 365. You can also create your own electronic intake forms with our built-in form builder, or you can use our form builder to edit and customize existing templates. When a patient submits their intake form, it will be automatically uploaded to their patient record, along with any pathology that they have attached. SimpleClinic allows you to record treatment notes, otherwise known as case notes, during your consultation, which are auto-saved every 300 milliseconds. And you can also upload any documentation or pathology results to a specific treatment record. SimpleClinic comes with case-taking note templates, which can be edited and customized to suit your style. And we also allow you to track progress through our tabular pathology tracker. With SimpleClinic, creating prescription and lifestyle recommendations are a breeze. You can use what we call content blocks to save retyping regularly used recommendations, which will allow you to build a prescription or treatment plan within minutes. This is one of our many practitioners' favourite features. You can also build templates and prescriptions from scratch, or easily create your own favourite protocol library and upload your patient handouts and resources to our document library, which allows you to easily attach to your prescriptions and emails. Our herbal builder within SimpleClinic allows you to build and track herbal formulas on your prescriptions and invoices. You can also capture expiry and batch number information. This also allows you to track your levels of herbs if you are using your own dispensary. SimpleClinic automatically populates your inventory with feeds from our practitioner-only products, allowing you to switch on or off what brands you want to show up in your inventory. With automatic regular price updates, you don't actually have to worry about when the manufacturers increase their price. And just listed there are some of the manufacturers that we get feeds from directly. So within the prescription and treatment plan, you can easily convert an invoice with the click of one button to save you time and ensure that no items from the prescriptions have been missed. These can be emailed to your patient, and they can pay via the Pay Now button, which is integrated with our online payment gateways. And we integrate with Stripe, Square, or Easy Debit. Invoices are also automatically sent to Xero, and Xero is our integration partner. So Araya Health is one of our valued integration partners who are also a Queensland-based distributor, and they are owned and run by Naturopaths. If you don't carry stock in clinic or have only limited items you stock, then you can also ship supplements and herbal blends direct to your patients. So from within the SimpleClinic invoice, you can select a Send to Araya button and choose which items you want them to pick, blend, and ship directly to your patient. Again, just saving you from double handling and time saving as well. So this page shows companies that we also integrate with. So you can see that we have 3 email platforms: MailerLite, ActiveCampaign, and MailChimp. We've mentioned just briefly before that our online payments gateway gateway payments are Stripe, Square, and Easy Debit. And we also particularly love supporting and working with colleagues from our industry. And you'll notice that we also have an integration with Amy Mingan from Naturopathic Yoga, Carla Wren from Vitae Mosaic, Cherry Wills from Metabolic Balance, and very soon to release the integration with Carly McKean from Naturopathic Emotional Release. We also have an integration with Ice Cream for pathology. Our online programs modules allows you to create an additional source of income independent of your consultations. This has been actually quite popular, especially when COVID started. A lot of naturopaths turned to not only online consultations, but to creating online programs. So this can be used to generate passive income, showcase your expertise, and even reach new clients with an e-course. Online programs are accessed via the patient portal, and they can also be purchased via your website. Once they are created within SimpleClinic, we give you a unique URL link that you can then share on your website and have a landing page for your particular program. So the patient portal is where patients can view courses, upcoming appointments, prescriptions, invoices, and this is another huge time saver for many pracs. The new design of the patient portal has also been built to emphasize program delivery by adding active programs directly to the dashboard as shown in the next slide. So we did this as we were seeing that more and more practitioners were using online programs as an additional source of passive income. So with SimpleClinic, you can also create your next workshop or webinar. You can take the bookings, collect your payments, and manage registrations for your next event. Workshops provide a great way to connect with your audience and sell without selling by demonstrating your subject matter expertise. Workshops also provide a great way for existing clients to refer friends and family to your clinic. Introducing you bundles. So bundles is also another awesome feature that you can group together services, and it automatically tracks entitlements through the patient record. For example, you could create a bundle of 5 follow-ups where the patient pays upfront for the bundle, and essentially it means they pay for 4. They pay for 4, but they get 5 in total, so they get 1 free. So you can do that with a bundle of an initial, a report of findings, and a few follow-ups. You can really bundle up any of your services. For those that do other treatments like manual therapies, you might ask them to pay for 5 and they get the next one free. So yeah, a really cool feature. Okay, so SimpleClinic we have well over about provide visibility. Below or on the screen are some of our favourite reports. So the cancellation report really helps you then have a track of how many people have cancelled during the month, and you get to find out why. So we track the reasons, whether they had to cancel an appointment due to being sick, due to not having enough money. Some say they didn't get a chance to do the pathology, so they're postponing it. So it's just really good to compare, look at that once a month and then compare it to, for instance, the consult report. And the consult report gives you a breakdown of all the different consultation appointments that you've had. So it might be you had, 10 initials, 7 report of findings and 5 follow-ups this month. So many of the reports most practitioners find really, really beneficial. And for those that are starting out, and that they don't want to invest in a zero subscription to begin with, we actually do have a BAS worksheet, so you can run off your cells and submit that BAS worksheet to your accountant. So The marketing automation is a new module that's going to allow you to communicate with your patients based on information stored within SimpleClinic and without sending your patient data and sensitive information to a third-party email service. So we're going to be able to send or create campaigns defined on patient enrollment in a course, time since last appointment of a patient, the service type of a last appointment of a patient, custom field content on a patient profile, the custom field content on a latest treatment note, custom field content on the latest prescription. So that's going to be really cool for those that are niching and, you know, working with thyroid patients or, you know, gut patients. So you can start to group your patients and send certain campaigns based on their custom fields. So this module is currently being tested and it will be released in the next month. So we're really excited to this new module going live. So that kind of sums it up in a nutshell. We have, though, just also launched our student tier. We actually had so many students contact us directly asking us for this. So we thought, that's not a, you know, why not? So this plan is going to be perfect for students in their final year of studies, and it will help you basically transition smoothly from student clinic into clinical practice so that you can hit the ground running. As Carmen said earlier, we are giving also away 3 prizes tonight. So I also have created, and over the years, I have held many, many workshops. Before COVID, all my workshops were held from my clinic. I had a boardroom which could fit 40 patients, just, you know, just side by side. There was no 1.5 meter distancing back then, so I could squeeze them in. And every month I would run one of my Done For You programs, and it was just a great way to build new patients. And like I said earlier, half of the room was filled with existing patients. The other half, these patients would bring along their family, friends, and work colleagues. And by the end of the night, you would have so many new people book in with you. So I find them as a great way to build business. So tonight I'm going to be sharing one of my immunity webinars. I'm going to share my gut workshop and my build stress resilience workshop as well for 3 of you to kind of help you launch your first workshop or webinar to attract new patients. So that's it from me, Carmen.
Awesome. Excellent. Thank you so much, Marianne. You guys are just, yeah, I'm just blown away with how comprehensive SimpleClinic is. Like, you've just thought of and addressed every single aspect that there is for making your practice, you know, streamlined and successful. And yeah, it's just, yeah, really, really awesome. So I do use SimpleClinic myself as a practitioner, and I'm still learning about all the amazing benefits that you know, that can help with clinics. So yeah, some of those things there, like the cancellation reports, really helps to, you know, when you're sort of looking at your business, and you know, being able to do the workshops on there as well. That's, you wouldn't think that just a, you know, a clinic management system would be able to integrate all of that, but it does, and tracking the consultations and yeah, just everything. So, and those Done For You webinars, just amazing. You know, just, I think, sharing your knowledge and experience as a clinic, as a clinician, as well as, you know, running a clinic and offering all of that expertise. I think that's really lovely, and like you said, it just really, really helps so much, especially for new practitioners. So that's 3 amazing prizes to be able to share tonight. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Marianne.
Thank you for having me here tonight. And
oh, you're so welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. So if you are watching this live, we'll stop the recording in a moment and we'll open it up for questions. Remember, there will be the draw for the $50 credit, as well as Marianne's prizes we just talked about as well. So if you are watching the recording, thank you for staying till the end and learn more with Switch On Health.